Greetings everyone, welcome once again to Academic Coordinates. This is the last video on quadratic sequences. Okay, so I trust you guys can, go with me in this example real quick. So we're given a quadratic sequence, then from there we're asked to find the nth term, or maybe the general term, so basically that is Tn, right? Okay, cool. And you know that the nth term of a quadratic sequence is an squared plus bn plus c, right? Where a, b, and c will have values that correspond to the particular sequence that you are given. Okay, so basically we know that quadratic sequences have got a constant second difference, right? So it's 7, 1, negative 6, negative 14, right? Then the sequence continues. Okay, so 1 minus 7, it's minus 6, and then negative 6 minus 1, this is negative 7, right? So negative 14 minus 6, negative 14 minus 6, negative 14 minus 6, yes, so that is minus 8. Let me just write it here, negative 14 minus 6. So it's going to be negative 14 plus 6, right? Because a negative multiplied by a negative, that's a positive, right? Okay, so negative 14 plus 6, that is negative 8. So we find the difference here now. Negative 7 minus 6, that's negative 1. So negative 8 minus negative 7, that's negative 1, right? Okay, so we know that a plus b plus c will correspond to 7, right? And 3a plus b will correspond to negative 6. And 2a will correspond to negative 1, right? Okay, so, let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So from equation 1, where 2a is equals to negative 1, we know that a will equals to what? And divide by 2, negative 1 over 2. This is the value for a, right? So we're gonna substitute a, right? Let me just focus my camera. We're gonna substitute a, which equals to negative half, in equation 2, right? So how we're gonna do that is it's gonna be 3 times negative 1 over 2 plus b, which equals to negative 6, right? Okay, so let's do this. So this is going to be negative 3 over 2 plus b is equal to negative 6, right? So when we continue, this is going to be negative. We're going to multiply it by 2 everywhere, right? Negative 3 plus 2b is equals to negative 12, all right? Okay, so we take negative 3 the other side. It's going to be 2b is equals to negative 12 plus 3. So 2b is equals to what? Negative 12 plus 3, it's minus 9. So b is equals to minus 9 over 2. There is b. And now, guys, as you can see that these are fractions. So it happens most of the times that if you guys find fractions, you get to be discouraged, but that is not necessarily mean that it's wrong. As long as you're doing the right things, you follow the right steps, you will get to your destination, right? Okay, so substitute a is equals to negative half and b is equals to minus 9 over 2 in equation 1, right? Okay, so a is negative 1 over 2 plus b, which is negative 9 over 2, plus c, this equals to 7, right? Okay, so we're going to multiply by 2 everywhere. This will be minus 1 plus minus 9 plus 2c is equals to 14, right? Okay, so we can continue like this. 2c is equals to, this is negative 1 minus 9, it's minus 10. So on the other side, it's going to be positive 10. So it's 14 plus 10. So 2c is equals to 24. Then c is equals to 12, right? Okay, guys. So now we are able to find a, b, and c. So Tn is equals to minus 1 over 2n squared minus 9 over 2n plus 12. This is our nth term of this particular quadratic sequence. Do stay blessed, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.